Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G41 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to download this free app from this developer and choose Open. Over here, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Send on Motorola and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. As you can see, this way you can select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, all of them, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow or Only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!